Today we're going to be looking at 5 houses for sale under the cost of $30 million across Jamaica. House number 1. This is a 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom house located in Clayton Heights in Maypen, Clarendon. The size of this house is approximately 3,200 square feet and it's for sale at a cost of 29 million Jamaican dollars. Let's go on the inside. First we have the veranda. And here is the single carport. We then move on to the living areas. Here's the first living and dining area. And this is the second living and dining area. We then have the first kitchen. And this is the second kitchen. We then move right along to the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. Second bedroom. And this is the third bedroom. This house has 4 bedrooms, however only 3 out of the 4 were shown. We then move right along to the bathrooms. Here's the first bathroom. Second bathroom. And this is the third bathroom. This house has 4 bathrooms in total, however only 3 out of the 4 were shown. This image that you're currently seeing just shows the layout of the upper floor. And lastly, we have the balcony. That will then end house number 1. House number 2. This 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom house can be found in Berlin Junction, St. Elizabeth. This house is being sold at a cost of 16.5 million Jamaican dollars, and the size of the lot is approximately 1,814 square feet. As we move from here, we're going to head right on the inside. Here we have the living area. Unfortunately for the dining area, there were no images provided. We then move on to the kitchens. Here's the first kitchen. And this is a second kitchen. Followed by that, we have the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. Second bedroom. Third bedroom. And this is the 4th bedroom. We then move right along to the bathroom. This house has 2 bathrooms, however only 1 out of the 2 is being shown. As we move from here, we're going to head to the back of the property. And that would then end house number 2. House number 3. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house located in Falmouth, Trelawney. This house is being sold at a cost of 25 million Jamaican dollars, and the size of the lot is approximately 5,172 square feet. Let's take a look. Here we have the veranda, followed by that we have the living and dining area. Next is the kitchen. We're now going to take a look at the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. Second bedroom. And this is the third bedroom. Next we have the bathroom. This house actually has 2 bathrooms, however only 1 out of the 2 is being shown. We then move right along to the laundry area. And from here we're going to head to the back of the property. That will then end house number 3. House number 4. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom house located in Gregory Park, Portmore, St. Catherine. The size of this house is approximately 1,400 square feet, and it was sold at a cost of 18.5 million Jamaican dollars. Let's go on the inside. Here we have the living area. Unfortunately for the dining area, there were no images provided. Next, we have the first kitchen. And this is the second kitchen. We then move on to the bedroom. This house actually has 4 bedrooms. However, only 1 out of the 4 is being shown. Lastly, we have the bathrooms. Here's the first bathroom. And this is the second bathroom. And that would end house number 4. House number 5. This 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom house is located in the community of Marysfield Estate in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. The size of this house is approximately 614 square feet, and it was sold at a cost of 16.5 million Jamaican dollars. As we head on the inside, here we have the veranda. Next is the living and dining area. Unfortunately for the kitchen, there were no images provided. Next, we have the bedroom. This house actually has 2 bedrooms, however only 1 out of the 2 is being shown. Unfortunately for the bathroom, there were no images provided. That will then end house number 5. That also brings us to the end of our video. So if you were interested in any of the houses that were previously shown, I'll be leaving all the information down below in the description box for the realtors and also the links for the houses. If you made it this far, thanks so much for sticking with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.